Hi guys, it's day 2 of Math at Home. Today we're going to do lesson 7.2 and it's dividing by 10 this time. So I remember when we were multiplying and we had to do multiplying by 10, a lot of you were able to pick up that set of facts pretty quickly. So again, I think that the dividing by 10 is the next easiest one after the 2. So you've got this lesson. All right, I'm going to read the unlock the problem. There are 50 students going on a field trip to the Philadelphia Zoo. The students are separated into equal groups of 10 students each. How many groups of students are there? All right, so the first way we could do this, let's think about this problem. If I go back up to the clues, I know that 50 students is my total. If I put my little T there. The students are separated into equal groups. I know the groups are going to be the same, and 10 students each. So 10 is the how many in each. And I'm supposed to be figuring out how many groups of students there are. So it tells me right here, I'm finding the groups. Okay, so 50 is the total. There's 10 in each. All right, so one way we could use the repeated subtraction like we learned in our other division chapter. So this is just a review. You'd start with the total 50. You take away one group of 10 because you know that you're going to have 50 kids to start with, all in a huge group outside of the school. And you're going to take 10 kids and make them into one group. So if you have 50, you can take away 10, you're going to have 40 left over. Then I'm going to start with that 40. 40 is left, take away another group of 10, and that'll give me 30 left over. Now I have 30 kids. I'm going to take away another group of 10. And so how many would be left over now? 20. So now I have 20 left over who still need to go into groups. Let's take away a group of 10 of them. And so how many would be left? 10. And now I have 10 left. And I need to make them into a group of 10. So then that would make me run out of kids. 10 take away 10 is 0. So now what I'm going to do is see, well, how many times was I able to take away a group of 10? Because that's how many groups of 10 I was able to make for the kids going on the field trip. So sometimes I like to circle them just to see how many times I did it. I made one group of 10, two groups of 10, three groups of 10, 4, 5. You subtracted 10 5 times, so 50 divided by 10 equals 5. So there are 5 groups of 10 students. Okay, let's keep going with the other way to do this problem. It's still kind of like using subtraction like we did, but now you're going to subtract on a number line. So it says use a number line. Start at 50 and count back by tens until you reach 0, until you run out. So I'm going to start here at the 50. 50 minus a group of 10 would bring me to 40. 40 minus a group of 10 would bring me to 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 minus 10 is 10. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So now I'm going to count the number of times I was able to jump back 10. So here's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps or 4 groups, 5 groups of 10. I jump back by 10 5 times, so 50 divided by 10 is 5. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now, and then I'll do a new video for the next activity.